In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google available here. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and this time choose Autofill with Google. Now hit Google Password Manager and select any password you wanna edit. Enter your screen log, hit Edit button and change whatever you need to for your password to be autofilled correctly. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!